Hi guys, it's Kayla from Happy and Healthy Kayla, as well as forgets her own username, as well as KaylaWeber99 on Instagram. Today I am going to be showing you this eye look. It's very bronze and glowy. Perfect for summer and the warm temperatures, in my opinion. Of course, this is my first ever makeup video. Actually, it's just eye makeup. I had already done my eyebrows, and I'm not wearing any face makeup, just some moisturizer. But I just wanted to throw on some color because I've been playing around with a lot of eyeshadow lately, and I thought I would share with you guys. So, without further ado, here we go. So starting off, I'm going to prime my eyes with this Maybelline Instant Age Rewind multi-use concealer. I'm sure you've seen this before. Yeah, so don't mind me. I'm just putting a little bit on each eyelid. And then just smoothing it out gently. And that step isn't do or die, but I do feel like I notice that when I don't prime my eyes with some sort of concealer before I apply eyeshadow, by the end of the day, the color is quite faded. It's not so much fallout, it's just like the eyeshadow ups and disappears, you know? So I definitely recommend priming if you have something that works. Then moving on, we are going to get started on some eyeshadow. So I'm just using this E.L.F. Opposites Attract palette. I got it right off of E.L.F.'s website. Fairly often they have days where you can get free shipping on everything, so maybe keep an eye out for that. Or of course you can get E.L.F. in a ton of drugstores. Yeah, I don't know, this was, I want to say $15 Canadian, maybe a little less than that, like 12 to 15. So, and the pans are nice and big, so I'm a fan of that. Now, I'm no like crazy makeup guru. Not that makeup gurus are crazy. I'm just like, I just do my own thing, you know? So I'm just gonna start with this Sonia Kashuk number 205 blending brush, which I got at Target back in the day. And I am going to pick up Happy, which is this well-loved yellow color. And I'm going to work that into my crease. So just going, whoa, okay. Just starting at the outside and going inwards. So should look something like that to begin with. I know it looks like a lot, but don't worry. And yes, I'm putting more on. Okay, so that's kind of the amount that I want to begin with. And then I'm gonna do the same to the other side. Can I just say that this mirror is not ideal? It's Tweezerman brand, and I got it with a set of tweezers from them. I couldn't find anything else, but you know what? I'll make it work. We are adaptable, strong, independent women. Hell yeah. Okay, so I'm pretty happy with that. Now, I'm going to grab, this is just a double-sided eyeshadow brush that I got in one of my several Anastasia Beverly Hills palettes. Honestly, I don't think that makeup brushes are a do or die. I think that if you have a vision and you know what you're doing, I think you can achieve a gorgeous look with just a handful of random eyeshadow brushes. But that's just me. That's how I flow. So anyways, next I'm going to pick up Saucy in the bottom here. It's a nice kind of light orange, kind of mango colored, I would say. But yeah, it's Saucy. And I'm just going to work that kind of from the tip of the color down to my lash, if that makes sense. So, ooh, yeah, you pigmented. And then I'm just gonna lightly work that into the crease. Nothing too crazy. But like I said, that's a pretty pigmented color. So we don't need to apply anymore for me. Moving on to the other eye. And just blending. We're just gonna kind of sharpen up the edge over here to match the other side. Okay, I'm pretty happy with that. So now I'm just gonna use the other end of the brush because why not? And I'm going to pick up this one. It's a like sparkly bronze and it's called Spicy. Ooh. So get a little bit of that. And this I am going to apply to like the center of my eyelid. Oh yeah, I like that. Very golden goddess vibes. That made no sense. But yeah, I don't know. I love this color. I think that it's very wearable and you can do a lot with that. So now we do the other side. So that's what it's looking like so far. And I'm not just gonna leave that all unblended and whatever. I'm gonna go back to the side that I was using with like the orange color Saucy. And I'm going to pick up Warm, which is just a chestnut brown kind of color right there. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take it from like the outermost part of color at the edge of my crease and I'm gonna work it in, and then I'm also gonna kind of make a like a V shape at the edge, so like that. That's where I want the color to be focused, if that makes sense. And then I'm just gonna blend it into the crease once I have that. So looks like that. I don't even like, I have no spatial, I don't even know what I'm trying to say. I'm just like not good at knowing where things are positioned in relation to me, which I don't think that's a common issue for people, but I'm different. So now I'm just gonna pick up some more of that Warm and do my other eye. Just, you know, get that color nice and like packed. Clearly I don't know what I'm talking about, but like, we're rolling with the punches. But honestly, I'm quite happy with that. So now, the last thing I want to do with the eyeshadow is just put a lighter color on the, like the inner part of my eyelid. So I'm just picking up Low Key, which is just a white eyeshadow. I'm just putting it on this random, honestly, it doesn't have a brand on it, but I'm pretty sure it's a CoverGirl brush that I've had since I was like 12. So, you know, just 10 years old. And yeah, I'm just gonna get a little bit of that. I don't really have much of a technique for this. I'm just like patting it until it looks a little brighter. Doing the other side. Ooh, I kind of like that. Okay, game plan change. I'm just gonna also kind of bring it a little above the like the warm colors, because now I'm seeing there's a little bit of pink shimmer in it and it actually looks so good. Oh yeah. I love that. Honestly, I'm very content with this look. So that's it for eyeshadow. And now I'm just gonna slap on some mascara and we'll be good to go. These are the two mascaras that I've been using lately. This one is the Bare Minerals Flawless Definition Mascara, which is a bit more pricey, but it's good. It has a good wand. I like it. But something that's more affordable and keeping with the E.L.F. theme. This isn't sponsored though. Girl, I wish. It's just this E.L.F. Lash extending mascara. I'm just gonna use that. And I better use a mirror so I don't stab myself. Just put that on the top. I'm not really a fan of putting it on the bottom unless I like drag the color down. But today we're just going for a cash eye look that screams like, ooh, she a glowy goddess, not like, dang, that girl's wearing a lot of mascara. Whoa. But anyways, yeah, so this is the finished look. I think that this is a really great simple eye look for just day-to-day wear. Maybe, I don't know, where are people going with COVID? Like, this is what I wear on a date where I'm going out and I'm doing groceries and maybe I'm plant shopping or whatever. You can wear it on maybe a lunch date or grabbing a coffee or just, you know, doing you at home. Make yourself feel good. But yeah, I know that this video was, you know, it's no Jaclyn Hill video or Carly Bible or anyone like that, but it's a very realistic video, I hope. Nervous smile. But anyways, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any other kind of makeup looks that you might want me to create, let me know. I love playing with makeup. And other than that, I hope you had a lovely day. I'm sending you love and light and happiness. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.